Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to cover a step-by-step process on how to check in Alaska Airlines online. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So we have two ways to do it. First is you can open your Alaska Air app on your mobile devices, or you can simply go to alaskaair.com. Right now, I'm here and I'm using Google Chrome right now. But if you're using other browsers such as Opera, Firefox, Brave, it's okay. And then first you gotta do is you hover here. If you don't have the checking, yeah, if you don't have the flight details yet, you might wanna go here. The flight check-in. It's on the in the upper part of the homepage. All right. So let's say we're departing from, let's say we're departing from Boston. All right. And then so you will be asked to check either of the following: confirmation code, its ticket number, or mileage plan number. Say we have an ticket number. Okay. All right. Say for example you used a correct e-ticket number, you will be forwarded to a different window. Basically, I don't have a flight details yet, so I can't use that number. But if you have ticket number, you will be proceeding on your flight check-in details. All right. Okay, so if but in such a cases that you have entered a correct e-ticket number, and then you're still having problems logging in, uh, I highly suggest you go to the help center, contact the support, contact support, and tell them your problem that you are having a hard time accessing in using the e-ticket number, and they will provide you and guide you all the way to your concern. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.